guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm bringing you my 5 fall essentials. These are all my fall favorites and things that you guys have to get for fall. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I make new videos every week on all things beauty, bringing you the best beauty treatments and beauty products. So if you'd like to see my fall essentials, then please keep watching. You already know I have to start with my fragrance of the month. I share my fragrance of the month with you every single month. And this month, you're gonna be so shocked. So shocked. My fragrance this month is from Dossier. This is called Oriental Velvetier. Wow, don't even know how to pronounce it. But essentially, it's a dupe for Byredo. This is inspired by the scent from Byredo called The Freak. I don't know what it's called. To be honest, I can't pronounce it. But you already know Byredo has like the best fragrances and they're amazing. Gypsy is like their most popular one. This scent is also one of their best sellers and Dossier has their dupe. This is the most incredible perfume and this to me just screams fall. It's that nice fresh powdery scent, but it has that amber, cedarwood, and bergamot in it, so it has that warm vibe as well. You already know. I have to put it on with you and share it with you. Dossier comes in the cutest packaging. I show you every month. It comes with a little travel size. They have free returns all the time, but if you want to use a little travel size first to make sure you like it before you actually use the fragrance, you can do that. But if you have any issues, just reach out to them. They'll take care of it. They're such an amazing company. Dossier has all the amazing dupes for $29 to $39 versus you spending $100, $200, $300 in the store. You know, Byredo, Tom Ford, brands like that can be super expensive. And that's why I love working with them and bringing you my fragrance of the month. I have probably like 20 Dossier fragrances by now. So I pretty much have every fragrance that I've been wanting, and a lot of my friends and family also purchase them and tell me that it's their absolute favorite. In my opinion, Dossier is always spot on with their dupes. It smells exactly like the real thing because trust me, I go to the stores, I spray them, I sample them, I even have a lot of the originals to compare it to, and on my skin, they last a lot longer. This scent particularly has 18% concentration, but a lot of them are just more concentrated because of the oils in them, so they last longer on me. And then also if you want to last a long time, make sure you put down an oil or like a body cream first and then spray it and it will last all day on you. I actually didn't know that Dossier was made in France, and I was on their Instagram the other day and I was like, wow, amazing. Like I've been using them for probably over a year. I didn't know that, but they are vegan, cruelty free. You know I love something that's clean for my skin, not going to be toxic. They gave me a coupon code, which I'll link down below, but if you actually go to their website, they have better deals. If you buy, I think, multiple, you can get like 30% off on some days. They always have new promotions, so make sure you go to their website. This scent will be linked down below for you guys, and you can check out their amazing site. Like right now, I think they have 4 for $95. That's less than like one regular fragrance, and these are actually better in my opinion. They're clean. The packaging is amazing. Like, this looks so good. You already know I show you my shelves in my bathroom every month and I have them all lined up on there. They look so sleek and beautiful. They're always adding new scents. Every single time I go on the website, I see a new scent or they'll email me and they have the best scents. Like, I can't even believe that they have Byredo now. Just wait till you see next month's scent. You guys are gonna be blown away. I never even knew that they had the brand, so just a little sneak peek, but you have to come back in October to see my fragrance of the month. I personally love Dossier as a brand and I love their fragrances. And thank you to them for collaborating with me to bring you my fragrance of the month every month. So while we're on the topic of fragrance, I wanna show you my body cream. Now, I've been seeing this body cream go viral on YouTube because of the queen, Aaliyah's face. I think her friend Tasha, her other friend Kyra, like Aaliyah's face and Kyra are like my 2 favorite YouTubers ever, but I've been seeing that this is sold out and gone viral because of them. But I've been using this for a minute because I've always worked in department stores doing makeup and this has always been a huge staple for me. So this is the Laura Mercier Amber Vanille Body Cream. They used to make these actually in glass jars, but it's now in plastic. I don't know how I feel about that because I kind of am against plastic, but maybe they were breaking, I'm not sure, but look at the texture of this. It is whipped and it is so thick, and I always have to put this on right when I get out of the shower on my whole body. It's gonna give you that glow, but not be too oily. It's the best scent you're ever gonna smell in your life, hands down. They actually make this in a body scrub. I think they have like the whole line, fragrance, all of that, but it's life-changing and it's the most hydrating thing ever. If you want a cheaper dupe for this, I would recommend getting the Nivea Enriched Body Lotion. It's the blue pump for extra dry skin. That one is a good dupe for this, but that doesn't really have a fragrance. This is just life-changing. Like, If you want to smell good for your man, if you want to smell good for yourself, if you want to be hydrated and glowy, it's amazing. And then this is what I was talking about, that you can actually layer under your Dossier fragrance to make the scents last all day. And for some reason, this Amber Vanilla scent, it really goes with any kind of fragrance. It's never like fighting each other. But they also have, I believe, a coconut one if you're someone who likes coconut. By the way, this is on the pricier side, so I'm going to link it for you, but don't get mad when you go see the price. But this will last you forever. Like, it's so thick and the jar is so big. This is 12 ounces. But look. It's whipped. It's thick. We like them thick, okay? Okay. Next. Okay, so I have to show this because I have a little bonus today. I'm supposed to show you my top 5 fall essentials, but she's giving you a bonus, okay? My bonus is this candle for you. This is the most amazing candle. We're going to put in a video of that because she needs her own moment. This is G&G Home Cedar and Suede All Natural Soy Wax made in Chicago. Okay, this has a wooden wick. You can get it with a cotton wick, but get the wooden one because it sounds like a little fireplace. I have this in the rose scent as well, and I'm about to buy the peony one when it launches. And I'm about to get the jumbo one. Like, this is my all-time favorite candle brand now. I love that it's natural. I love that it's handmade. I love the packaging. I'm going to insert a photo here of how I have it in my kitchen. I also got from them the matte black tray. It comes with like a candle trimmer, a little scooper to get the wick out, and a little thing to put the flame out, you know? I like to just put a lid on normally, like on my Bath & Body Works candles, but this one doesn't have a lid, so you just put the little boop and it goes out. Honestly, guys, as much as I love Bath & Body, and I'm always going to keep buying their like fall scent and Christmas scented candles, those are kind of toxic for the home, and I'm really trying to like do more with not just clean beauty, but my cleaning products and everything around the house. We don't really notice how much we're ingesting, so go natural, get these. I'm literally shocked with how much I was obsessed with this. I walked in my house 3 days after burning it and could still smell the rose scent, and this cedar and suede, you need this. You need this. This is my little bonus pick for you. Please get it. It's going to be linked down below. Incredible people that own it, and incredible candle company. Now, if you don't have this Patrick Ta eyeshadow palette, what are you doing? Go get it. It's linked. It's linked. Everything's linked down below. Please go get this. I have been using this nonstop all summer long, and it's going to be used all fall long as well. When is fall, by the way? Hold, please. We're looking at the date on my watch. By the way, today I did an 1.5 hour uphill walk. I think today's first day of fall. Today's the first day of fall. I think you're seeing this on the next day, but hi, it's fall, finally. Look at this sweat right here. This is not glow. This is sweat. It's 100 degrees on the first day of fall in LA, so thanks, California, you know. But back to my eyeshadow palette. This is just incredible. This has these cream brown shades you can use as a base or a liner. These are all the sheens up top, and then the bottom are mattes. You can see it's well loved. Every single time I do my makeup, I reach for this. It used to be my Dose of Colors palette. If you're an OG, then you know. That was my everyday, every single makeup look palette was a Dose of Colors one. This has replaced it. This is incredible. Packaging is incredible. It will last you so long. Like, I'm telling you, if you don't have this, go buy this now. Okay, for my last two, we have skincare items. I'm bringing you the best. You always know I bring you the best. I bring you the best skincare, the best makeup, the best body products, the best candles. I bring you the best of everything. You know this, so what are you doing if you don't have these? Okay. Next, we have the Peter Thomas Roth 24 karat under eye hydrogel eye patches. These are the gold ones. If you guys watch Housewives, I'll put a photo here. You guys already know Kyle. She is like the eye patch queen. She always has these or the Chanel ones on. And it comes with a little scooper that I just dropped so you don't get your like fingers in it. And these are the gold ones. These are incredible. You can actually wear these in 2 ways. I'll put up a photo here so it makes a little more sense for what I'm saying. But if you have the fatter side here and the skinnier side towards the end, that will help with dark circles, puffiness, wrinkles, all of that. If you flip them and the skinnier side is here and the fatter side's here, that's actually good for crow's feet. So these are a little pricey. I want to say they're $75, but they're definitely worth it. And I'm sure they always have a sale. You know Sephora's fall sale is coming. probably in November. So if you want to wait on them, wait, but I would definitely get them now if you're someone who struggles with their under eyes like me. I'm going for my second round of PRP under the eye injections this Friday. But it did help me the first time, just try to get rid of some of that darkness and texture under my eyes. So I definitely like to use a great eye cream and great eye patches. Feel free also to put those in your little skincare fridge or your regular fridge. It will help with the puffiness under the eyes. My last product is the most amazing, transformative thing for your skin you'll ever buy. These are the VH Skincare VH Method Peel. So Vanessa Hernandez, that's where I go for my facials. I see Dakota. She's my favorite person in the whole world. She transformed my skin. My skin is popping right now. Well, I think I had like 2 breakouts, but it's from my cycle. It's not to blame me, okay? So anyways, get these peel pads. Vanessa Hernandez, who owns it, she developed these herself. Why is it blown out? It looks like this. So you actually get in your box 30 individually wrapped. And then when you repurchase them, you actually just get the refill. So you just save this box and keep putting them in, and then it saves you money. So essentially 30 of them are $78. An average person would probably use these maybe 2 to 3 times a week. It just depends on your skin. I have built up to using them every night. So let me tell you about them now that I gave you the whole little spiel about it. But these have glycolic, hyaluronic, salicylic acid, stem cell complex. They have retinol in them, and they open up to be so wide. So I do my whole face twice. I do my neck and my chest and the back of my hands. It just helps renew everything. You're never flaky. You're never patchy. It clears up your skin. It makes your pores look smaller. It helps with all that darkness I have around here. Like if you're someone who gets darkness or patchiness from driving, that will also help. It helps with melasma. Any skin type could use this. And guess what? If you're pregnant, they're safe to use during pregnancy. So what are you waiting for? Get these. What you want to do is cleanse your skin first and then use them after, and then go in with your moisturizer and your eye cream. I would use these maybe twice a week, 3 times a week, to just start off, and then if your skin can handle it, you can do every night. I think that this is such a small price to pay to transform your skin. I've never seen anything work so fast in my life. I have used different company peel pads before, some from Blue Mercury. I think I use a Dr. Dennis Gross. Everyone's obsessed with those Dr. Dennis Gross ones, and I love them as a brand, but personally for me, those never worked. I'm not sure why everyone keeps buying those. But this is better, and they have clean ingredients in them. Like you can use them while pregnant. You know, most things, I mean, I've never been pregnant, but a lot of people tell me like during pregnancy, you have to cut out so much of what you're using, and these you don't. So get them. They're going to be linked for you down below like everything else. I hope that you guys enjoyed my 5 fall essentials. Leave me a comment down below if you've ever used any of these or what you're going to pick up. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video before you leave. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.